Water by Martha E.H. Rustad. We all need water. Water is wonderful. You can drink it, wash with it, swim in it, and ice skate on it. People need water to live. Animals and plants need water too. But what is water? Where does it come from? The same water has been on Earth for billions of years. Almost 3/4 of our planet is covered with water. What is water? Water is a clear liquid. It has no taste, smell, or color. Tiny organisms live in every drop of water. Water is made up of teeny tiny bits called molecules. Each molecule has 2 parts of hydrogen and 1 part of oxygen. Water can also be called H2O. There are about 326 million trillion gallons of water on Earth. Ice. Water freezes into a solid when it gets cold. When water turns into ice, it expands. Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius. Ice cubes float on the water in your glass. Layers of ice float in a lake. Icebergs float in the ocean. Try this. Ask an adult for help. Find a clear plastic container. Make a line on the side with tape or crayon. Fill it up to the line with water. Put it in the freezer overnight. Where is the ice? Where is your line? Gas. Heat makes water molecules move fast and create bubbles. It turns the water into a gas that floats away. The water seems to disappear, but it has only evaporated. It has become part of the air. Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius. Try this. Ask an adult for help. Find a clear glass container. Make a line on the side with tape or a crayon. Fill it up to the line with water. Put it in a microwave on high for 4 minutes. Where is the water? Where is the line? The water cycle. The water cycle moves water around the planet. Water goes from the ground to the sky and back again. Earth doesn't make new water. It recycles the same water again and again. Evaporation. The sun heats water in oceans, lakes, rivers, and even puddles. Heated water evaporates from bodies of water. It turns into a gas called vapor. Water vapor rises into the air. Condensation. In the sky, cool air condenses warm water vapor. The gas turns back into a liquid. Water droplets gather to make clouds. The droplets in the clouds grow and become heavy. Precipitation. Water drops back down to the ground. Rain is a kind of precipitation. Snow, sleet, and hail are also precipitation. Collection. Gravity pulls precipitation to the ground. It soaks into tiny spaces between dirt and rocks. Water gathers in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Sunlight heats the bodies of water. The water cycle begins again. Gravity is a force that pulls things toward the center of Earth. Jump up. Gravity is what brings you back down. Water that flows deep underground is called groundwater. People dig wells to reach groundwater for drinking. Bodies of water. We see moving water in rivers and streams. We see still water in lakes and ponds. At the North and South Poles, some water is frozen in ice sheets and glaciers. Glaciers are formed thousands of years ago from deep snow that piled up in valleys. It turned into ice. But rivers, lakes, and glaciers make up only a small part of the world's water. Nearly all the water on Earth is in the oceans. Salt water. Rainwater that falls from clouds is not salty, yet most of the water on Earth is salt water. Groundwater moves through the ground on its way to the oceans. Tiny bits of minerals become trapped in it. This makes ocean water salty. Fresh water in lakes, streams, and rivers do not have salt. Salt must be taken out of the ocean water before people can drink it. Factories remove salt from seawater in many places around the world. When ocean water evaporates, salt is left behind. When ocean water freezes, most of the salt is left behind. Some ice in the ocean is still a little salty. Uses of water. We use water for drinking and cooking. We use water to stay clean. Farmers use water to make food. Water helps crops grow. Farm animals drink water. About 50 glasses of water are needed to grow enough oranges to make 1 glass of orange juice. People use water to make power. Dams capture energy from moving water. Power plants turn the energy into electricity. Water pollution. We sometimes pollute our water. Many farms use chemicals to keep bugs off crops. The chemicals can wash into groundwater. Factories might dump waste into rivers. People sometimes drop garbage in lakes. Garbage and chemicals from the land are often carried to the ocean. We should work to keep our water clean. It's the only water we have. Water treatment plants. Dirty water goes down the drain. Water treatment plants use machines and chemicals to clean the water. The plants pump clean water into large tanks. People use the water again. Drinking water. Our bodies need water. We get some water from the food we eat. Our bodies are about 60% water. We need about 8 glasses of water each day to stay healthy. Where does your water come from? Pull up and down on the pump handle. My water runs out of a well. Turn on the tap. Water flows out. Pipes carry water to my house. Pick up a bucket. Go to the river. Water flows into my bucket. Conservation. People should conserve water. Only use as much as you need. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, an American family of 4 uses an average of 400 gallons, 1,514 liters of water every day. We share water with everyone in the world. We also share water with the people in the future. The same water keeps going around and around the planet. Everyone needs water.